Hello everyone, here we are with another problem which says 16 raised to power m is equal to 2, then we need to find the value of m. So let's start with the left hand side which says 16 raised to power m. So 16 we can write in powers of 2 as 2 raised to power 4 whole raised to power m is equal to 2. Now using the property of exponents, this 2 raised to power 4 raised to power m can be written as 2 raised to power 4m is equal to 2, and the property of exponent we have used is a raised to power m whole raised to power n is equal to a raised to power mn. The powers are multiplied. Now we can write it as 2 raised to power 4m is equal to 2 raised to power 1. Now here we are going to use another exponent law which says that as the bases are same, the powers will also be same. So this will be 4m is equal to 1 because a raised to power b is equal to a raised to power c, then b is equal to c. We have used this exponential law. 4m will be equal to 1. Now dividing both sides by 4, we are going to get value of m. So this is going to be 4m upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 4, and this 4 and 4 gets cancelled and we are left with m is equal to 1 upon 4. This is our final answer. This is how we solve these kind of problems. I hope this is helpful to you. Please subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.